Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today I just received a comment asking me like how we can make our laptop boot faster. The person who asked me is facing this issue that he's really facing slow booting. So whenever he's restarting his laptop or trying to switch on his laptop for the first time, initially it is taking a lot of time for the boot up process. So first of all, in order to make your computer boot faster, first thing you need to identify is why it is taking so much of time, why it is taking a lot of time for booting. So you need to check it with clicking on task manager. So on the menu bar here at bottom, you can right click here and click on task manager. This will open the task manager, see here, or else you can use a shortcut like control alt plus delete keys. So this also will open the task manager. Either way you can open the task manager. Once you open the task manager, your computer will show up something like this. In this format you need to click on this to expand the menu options, and see here there is an option called startup apps. Double tap on this, and here these are all the listed apps which will start when you boot your computer. Means when you start your laptop, along with your laptop OS also, these applications which are already installed on your laptop also starts their services. For this reason your computer is getting slow. And see the status check here, this is disabled, so there is no problem with this service, okay, with this app. But Chrome is enabled and startup impact, it is saying that not measured. So here you need to find the applications which are enabled and which have high impact on the startup. You just need to right click on them and disable them. So if there is no use for this particular app to be started automatically with your OS, then you can right click on it. You can just disable them. So see here, Microsoft Teams, and this has been enabled with the start of the computer, so I don't want automatic startup with the laptop boot, so I just right clicked on it and disabled. So check all the list, and here also for Skype it is enabled, I don't want automatically. So in this way, unzip, see, find all the apps which are enabled automatically and right click and disable this and restart your computer and check whether your problem is solved or not. And one more thing is you can click on processes. See here some background processes also will run during the startup. For example, Microsoft Teams has been running 9 background services and which is taking 71.1 MB of my RAM, which is memory. So it is not taking any CPU because currently it is not running, my application is not running. But even though, you can go to the control panel and just uninstall the apps which you don't want. This is what you should do. And one more thing you can check is click on the performance and see here, check L1 cache and L2 cache. If L2 cache is somewhat like 2 MB or 1 MB, then the performance of the boot up or the time taken for the boot up may impact this. The higher the cache size will make your computer boot up a bit faster. And along with this, just try to clear all your temporary files. You can, on the search, you can give something like percentage and click on enter. This will show you all the temporary files. You can click on the delete here so that your computer clears all the junk on your computer. So next time when you reboot, this will also make your laptop boot faster. So doing all these steps may considerably make your laptop fast. If doing all these things also won't solve your problem, then you may try to check or upgrade your SSD. There is something problem with your SSD or the hard disk. So yeah, you need to check with that. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.